Good Friday morning, everybody. We are on the next project. Little driveway I was telling you guys about yesterday when we were leaving the job in Lake Forest. This house is right down the street from the Lipham project we just finished up. And so these little canopy things, there's 4 of them that the customer has here, and I guess they just wanted a carport, and this is a portable one, so we got to get these guys out of the way. And you can't see it, but there's metal edging down in there. You can barely see it right there, but it goes and it's around the front side. So what we're doing is we're going to move these guys out. We got the machine here with us, and we're going to cut out a good 3 or 4 inches of the rock and dirt that's here. And then Michael Dearborn from Artistic Excavations is going to bring his dump truck up in here. He's bringing us 20 tons of slag, or excuse me, not slag, 8910. And we're going to get in here all spread out and packed in, then put the canopies back. So that's throughout the day. I hope everybody's enjoying their observed holiday today, July 3rd. And but we're here, and we shouldn't be working all day, but we'll have off tomorrow, obviously, because it's Saturday. But we'll get you guys set up and watch the progress. Cutting all this vegetation now. We're going to cut some of the old rock out, and then Tyler Brown's on his way now with the dump truck. So we're going to get all this stuff loaded out here. Probably going to take it to my house. My house is being built right now because my house is kind of on a hill because we had to elevate the dirt pad so much when we built it. And so I've got to bring in a good bit of field dirt. So if it don't have any trash in it or anything, I like to dump it out there because I don't have to buy any of that. So it should be pretty good. But there's rock already here. I guess it's just been so long since they had any put in. All right, guys, we got the stuff cut out. Tyler Brown just left with the dump truck. Whole bunch of old rock in here, which we thought it was going to be a good bit of dirt, but good for me. I get to go fill in some washouts at my house, so it worked out. Anyways, this is the fabric we're putting down. It's just going to keep the rock and the weeds and all the stuff from mixing together, and should keep the rock clean as long as they keep all the live oak leaves and stuff out of it. So Michael's on his way with the rock, so we'll check back in shortly. Rock's here. Michael with Artistic Excavations got us hooked up. 8910. It's gonna pack in here real good. Hopefully he can clear the tree limbs up there. I think he'll be good. Sweet. Get her pushed in here, get her spread out and packed in. Alright guys, we're all finished up here on George Street. Got it graded out, got the canopies back in for the customer, and all that good stuff. So it's good in there and packed, and now they have a nice compacted surface to drive on. Their tires won't sink in or anything like that. We put bed tarp down underneath the rocks so there's no more weeds and stuff gonna grow up in there. So Michael Dearborn brought us a rock with Artistic Excavations. Give him a call for all your rock needs, anything massive excavating, that guy does it. So look him up on Facebook, Artistic Excavations.